Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your Wi-Fi problem, and if it is not connecting or if there is a problem, how you can fix it in Poco C71 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you can do is you can just click on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, and then you have to turn off it, and then you have to connect your Wi-Fi. And if it is connected and successfully connected, so you can continue, and if not, you have to go to the settings. Then friends, you have to click on the additional settings and just click on here the reset like this, and click on reset options. Here it is reset options, just tap on here and you will see reset Wi-Fi. Just tap on here, this will reset all Wi-Fi settings. You can't undo this action, so you have to click on this, and you can see your Wi-Fi has been reset successfully. Then friends, you have to open your Wi-Fi and you have to put the password in the network that you are using it, like I show you, and then you have to enter the passcode here and click on this option, and now it is successfully connected. And if not, you have to restart your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.